Okay, the artificial intelligence generation of automatical OK mind map will be implemented pretty soon, but meanwhile I think it's better to provide the way to create OK mind map using prompt. There are two ways actually you can transport information with the external world. The one is XML and the other is text format. So suppose that if you like to export the information of this node, and after you select that one, probably you can export it as a text. So it just exports the information of text from the uppermost node and the lower level node. So indentation with the tab means that one step lower hierarchical level. So this is two tabs here. This is a second level from the prime level node. Okay, likewise, if you have external text information like this, probably you can import like a text from outside, like this way. If you apply that one, you will see that external information is added to this node. And also you can export it XML format. Here, if you click and XML format, you can export that information, including add any information like a web link, images, and video link information. You can export all the information using XML format. Likewise, you can also import XML format like that. If you have a file format of XML and complete map code, probably you can go here and input and export. So you can export this mind map as free mind map style. If you click, that will produce that pre-mind format with the extension of MM type will be produced as a local file. And if you have that kind of map MM file, you can also import free mind, and you will regenerate with the file format of MM file. So with this concept, you can imagine how I can import, create a OK mind map using artificial intelligence. So this is the site I just made. Probably this site you can access using okay, so I'll give you the here. So you can access this service on internet using either QR code or short URL key. And here you just need to give the subject and the keyword separated by comma, and everything like the information about how many nodes and nodes of images and web links and number of videos. You can just input them like this. And if you have any extra remarks about creating this map, you will just add more on here. And with this one, you can create two different kind of outputs. One is that general, with every general node, including web link images and web videos, you can make a complete map and download it as a MM file. And the second one down here is just create a text format mind map. So text format, you can add that format as a text on under the other node. So if you specify that one and create it will generate down contents down here. So if you make a copy the clipboard, and after that you know that you can go to, okay, let me create Gemini site here, and you can paste the prompt. And this prompt also needs two more files. So here you can download and first file and the second file. If you download it on the local file, suppose that you have it on your local file, you just drag and drop it right from here. It's a different file, but I'll show you how it is like. Okay, like this. You can drag and paste it. The two files you added it. Okay, and likewise the second file too. And you just submit. So you can either submit it either to Gemini or ChatGPT, and the response is quite different because I think these days the ChatGPT is so busy, and I think it lacked some capability, and the output is very not dependable. So I would suggest you to use that Gemini for the case. So this will produce the MM file, and with the MM file, you just go back here, and you know, for the new file, you just import and premind, and you go there and pick up the MM file, which is created by the artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, or either ChatGPT or Gemini. Okay, so let's talk about the text part and text format. Probably okay, let's go back to the here. So there's two services here. I'd like just to do it with the text file. So with the same input, you can create the text file and copy, okay, and you paste it to the Gemini or ChatGPT. For this case, you also download those two files and try not to forget attach them with the inputs. Okay. So okay, so that's the way I did it. So the text generation case, text mind map generation case, I got the result like this. Okay. So this I will just copy. Okay. I already did it with the Vietnam Kanto introduction. So I will make a new try here. Okay, just forget about the other things. Probably this is about Anjang University. And I like to add the text format, and I just paste it. And I asked so many information, like 100 nodes. So you can reduce the request number of nodes, and the artificial intelligence will try to fit the number of nodes upon your request. See, I don't know this is right or not. It depends on the mood of artificial intelligence. And currently, the generation of the whole mind map service is not doesn't work quite well, but the text input is better or working, and we need to refine the later part of the full mind map generation, because it has some trouble generating the web information like images and videos and web link, which should be dependable and reliable connections. But sometimes the artificial intelligence make confused about it. So we have to figure out how to make it more accurate. This will give you an idea that with the prompt, probably you can create better and more specific OKMind map upon the related subject.